Rolling across the American Southwest between Tucson and El Paso, the Lordsburg Subdivision has been an integral part of the Sunset Route. In part one of this two-part series, we covered the west half of the subdivision through Arizona between Tucson and Steins, just over the New Mexico state line. In part two, we continue east to El Paso as trains cross an alkali basin between Steins and Lordsburg. At Lordsburg, Arizona Eastern's Clifton branch provides access to the impressive Morenci Copper Mine, one of the largest copper reserves in the world. We will visit this fascinating operation, complete with its own railroad, the Freeport-McMoRan Industrial. A quintet of non-turbocharged GP38-2s and -3s battle a 5% ruling grade out of Clifton, Arizona. Back on the main line, long, heavy stack trains race across the desert, passing old lava flows and ghost towns. We will visit UP's busy Santa Teresa Intermodal Facility, which first opened in 2014. Finally, we will cross the Rio Grande into the West Texas town of El Paso. Our journey across the Sunset Route continues with Union Pacific's Lordsburg Subdivision, Part 2.